Hello, my name is Upma Srivastav. From last 20 years, I am empowering lives through my various modalities like astrology, Vastu, numerology, NLP, Reiki, and many more modalities. During this pandemic situation, in my experience, I had found the earth energies is shifting, and because of that, the anger, fear, anxiety, depression, such kind of lower energies are also increasing in our lives. Without shifting these energies, we will not be able to get what we desire in our life. To help you, we had created 3 days workshop. In this 3 days workshop, we will talk about your moon sign, because moon indicates about emotions, and remedies which are based on moon sign will help you in your love relationship and in your health too, because we take our most of the decisions based on our emotions. Sometimes our financial decisions are also based on our emotions. When we feel lack of money, or when we are going through fear of losing job or business, we try to hold the finances. Now, we need to come out of this fear, and for that I will give you some remedies which you can easily do in your daily routine and overcome this fear. There are remedies based on Vastu, because nowadays most of us are working from home and directions play important role. Each direction is helpful for specific professionals. These directions also have some good vibrational energies. If you are a doctor or healer, then east is the best direction for you, but this same direction is not good for engineers. In the same way, the direction which is helpful for engineers, it will not help to professionals who are giving advice. So, what is the kind of work you are doing and which direction is favorable for you, that also you are going to learn in this workshop. Now, colors. We all know colors play important role in our life. These colors gives us confidence. Sometimes they balance our energies, soothing energies or calm energies also we get from these colors. So we are going to talk about colors also. Now, numbers. Numbers are everywhere. We use numbers in our daily life, so we cannot forget numbers. In these remedies, we are going to talk about missing numbers. If any number which is favorable for you, but it is missing in your date of birth, or you want to increase the energies of specific number, what kind of remedies can be performed, or what is your favorable number, we are going to talk about that also. There are some specific remedies for if you are looking for property purchase, sale, education, money opportunities. So there are various kinds of remedies, and you can select according to your choice. Like, what is my nature? I will select remedy according to that. And what is your nature? You can select remedy based on that. One can select remedy for wearing gemstones, but everyone will not select that. One will do some remedy which can be helpful just by placing something in the home, but everyone will not be able to do. So you can do remedies by wearing some kind of shades, clothes, or just keeping some stuff in the home, office, whatever is convenient for you. So in these more than 70 remedies, there is specific some remedies you can find out for yourself, for your loved ones. And if you are a light healing worker, then I will say this is a very good opportunity for you to know the remedies and describe them to your clients. Now, the most important thing of this workshop is I am going to tell you why remedies does not work, because I face this question many times. People ask me, I had done these remedies but still I am not getting the result. That's why I had taken this subject in this workshop. So I am going to tell you what is the correct day, what is the correct time to do remedies, and if there is some kind of indications, what are those indications when you have to repeat the remedy. All these things we are going to know in this workshop. This 3-day workshop is designed looking at your convenience. The group 1 is going to start from 12th August till 14th August. 12th, 13th and 14th August, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And the second group is from 13th August to 15th August. So it will be like 13, 14 and 15th August IST 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Join me in this workshop and create for the life as you desire. See you in the workshop. Take care. Bye.